Hi everyone, welcome to Alba Physiotherapy. In this video we will share with you some information on neck pain as well as giving you some tips on preventing neck pain through some exercises. Well, neck pain is a common problem seen in people of all ages. There are many causes of the neck pain such as degenerative changes, poor posture as well as traumatic injuries. The main function of the neck is to provide support and mobility to the head. The neck is really flexible and thus extremely vulnerable to the injury. Damage in the neck may occur to the joints, discs, blood vessels, the nerves, as well as muscles and ligaments. The cervical spine is made of 7 vertebrae which houses and protects the spinal cord. There is a disc in between all of the vertebrae except the first 2 vertebrae. The discs are made of fibrous material which helps to absorb shock and help to distribute the weight of the head through the neck. In cervical disc degeneration, which occurs in people mostly aged 40 onwards, the normal gelatin-like center of the disc degenerates, causing the spaces in between the vertebrae to narrow, causing added stress onto the joints, leading to the further wear and tear. That's why it's important to adopt good postural habits and do exercises to namely help improve your posture. Let's avoid working or sitting in a slouched, bent or forward head posture. Sit with your back supported to ensure a good alignment of the neck. Let's avoid build-up of tension and stress in the muscles and joints in the neck and upper back by following the exercises. The first exercise is retraction. This simple exercise will stretch out the tissue at the back of the neck and lift a lot of the pressure and stress on the area. Sit up straight with a slightly curve in the base of the spine. Focus on an object at eye level as if you were looking at the horizon. Slowly, without moving your shoulder and without looking up or down, bring your head back and tuck your chin in and hold for 2 to 3 seconds. If you do just 5 of these 3 times a day, it could really help reduce the gradual increase of strain on your neck and the shoulder area. Next exercise, looking over your left and right shoulder. Over time, we can start to lose some movement in the neck, and the rotation is one of those movements. Sometimes people become aware of this when they are trying to reverse the car. By doing this simple exercise each day, you can maintain this very important movement. Sit up straight with a slightly curve in the base of the spine. Gently tuck your chin in as you did with the previous exercise, and then turn your head to one side to look over your shoulder. Return to the start position, release your chin for a short time, and then repeat and look over the other shoulder. Do this exercise a few times a day, and it really can help to maintain the rotation movement. The next exercise is backward shoulder rolls. Just draw backward circles with your shoulders a few times. The next exercise is neck side bending on chair. So we can start with our right arm. We will tuck our right arm on the chair and go with our neck side bending on the opposite side. Our arm is fixed on the chair and we really can feel the stretch in the neck on the right side. If this is too easy, we can also add the movement with our opposite arm and just increase the stretch a little bit further if needed. Hold it for a while and relax. and then we can repeat that on the opposite side. Our hand, our arm is fixed on the chair, and that prevents us to do compensatory movements. And we have isolated stretch. Next exercise is thoracic spine rotation. It's really important to maintain the movement in this part of your spine. So sit up straight with a slightly curve in the base of the spine. Fold your arms in front of your chest and then slowly twist the trunk to either side. By keeping this part of your spine flexible, it can reduce the stress on the neck and again reduce the likelihood of pain in this area. The next exercise is stretching upper trapezius. This is the large muscle to the left and right of the neck. Often when you are tense or have sat for some time at the desk working, this muscle can become tight. As this muscle becomes tight, it pulls on the neck and over time can cause pain and stiffness in the neck. As with all the exercises, do this exercise gently and carefully. Stand beside the table and hold onto the edge with your hand. Very gently pull down your shoulder. You will feel a stretch between your shoulder and neck. If you want to increase the stretch, side bend your head to the opposite side, ear to the shoulder, and maintain the position for 5 seconds. Repeat this a few times a day. Next exercise is stretching exercise for levator scapular muscle. Keeping this muscle loose will reduce the likelihood of neck problems starting. Place one hand behind the buttock and lower your shoulder. This will start to put the levator scapular muscle on a stretch. To increase the stretch, turn your head to the opposite side and look down. If you want to increase the stretch even further, gently pull down your head with other hand and maintain the position when you feel a stretching sensation. Hold it for a few seconds, feel the stretch and relax. Next exercise is stretching the rhomboid muscles. Your rhomboids are on the inside of the shoulder blades and can become tight over time from either loss of sitting and computer work or repeated lifting and carrying. Keeping this muscle loose will reduce the tension on the shoulder blades, the upper part of your back and the neck. Stand and raise your arms forward, grasping your arms together. Spread your shoulder blades apart by pulling your arms forward until you feel a stretch between your shoulder blades. Hold this stretch for 5 seconds and relax.
Thank you for watching this video. We recommend that you try to implement these exercises into your daily routine. If you have any questions or if you need more guidance, please don't hesitate to contact us.